Welcome student. Today we are going to see capacitance in series with dielectric, capacitance in parallel with dielectrics both. Here there is a capacitor, full capacitor of plate area A and distance between the plate as D. There are three dielectric in between the plate. One dielectric with the dielectric constant K1, another dielectric K2, third dielectric with the K3. So how we will analyze this circuit? First we will take this one. This is a plate. There is one dielectric here. This is another plate. Here, since this is terminal A positive, this is plus Q, and this is B, this is minus. It means here there is one more dielectric like this. So this is dielectric, this is dielectric, this is dielectric. So when we spread it, see this side is positive, this side will be negative, this side will be positive, this side will be negative, for this side will be negative, for this side will be positive, this side will be negative. It means one capacitor, two capacitor, three capacitor. When we split it, this first one will become like this. First one with the positive and second positive and this with the K1 as a dielectric, and full area and the distance is D by 2, first capacitance. Second also, this side is positive, this side is negative. Third one also, this side is positive, this side is negative. It means, see, for parallel series connection, this will be positive, negative, then followed by positive, negative. So this is positive, negative and positive, negative. It means this capacitor is in series with this one, this capacitor is series this one. And this is what? This is both are connected to same terminal, and this also connected to same terminal. It means what? Parallel means what? This will be like this, plus minus, plus minus. So it means all positive charge is connected to one end. This side positive, this side positive, this side positive, this side positive, connected to one end, and this side negative connected to another end with a dielectric constant K2. And what about this area? This is full plate area, this is half the plate area, that is A by 2, and the distance of separation is D by 2. Same is with this one also, K3 A by 2 into D by 2. So now we can write capacitor, we keep it as 1, K1. For capacitor 1 is equal to epsilon naught. This is a parallel plate capacitor. So how this circuit will be? This is in series with these two, and this one parallel. We can draw the circuit like this. This is C1 and C2. This will be the connection, because this is in series plus minus, and this is plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus means these both are in parallel. That is, we call it as a C3 and this is C2. It means there are the three capacitors can be converted into circuit as this and these are parallel, and these two are in series, because positive, negative, positive, negative. For this also, positive, negative, positive, negative. Positive, negative, positive, negative means this is in series with these two, and these two are, because both these positive terminals are connected together, negative terminal are connected together, so these both are in parallel. So we can write it like this. This is side A and side B. So this is how we convert it. So C1 is equal to CA by epsilon naught, since it is a parallel plate, since it is having a dielectric of K1. So where epsilon naught A into D by 2 for C1. For C1, this is equal to total area and the distance is d by 2, total this area, and d by 2. So A into d by 2, this is equal to epsilon naught A divided by d into 2 into K1, which is equal to, this is capacitance of capacitor, air as a dielectric, so we can keep Ca into 2 K1 R is equal to 2 into K1 into Ca. So C1 is equal to 2 into K1 into Ca. For C2 means this capacitor with K2, and it has got half the area. This is full area, this is half area, that is A by 2, and also having half this distance of separation, this d by 2. So C2 is equal to epsilon naught. What is area? Area is equal to A by 2 into K2 divided by d by 2. So this and this it cancels, epsilon naught A divided by 2 d into K2. This is C2. C2 is equal to, this is equal to capacitance in air into K2. So this becomes K2, C2 is equal to K2 into C into air. This portion is C. Capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor with air as dielectric. How about C3? C3, this is also half of this area. This is A by 2, C into A by 2 divided by the distance between this plate and this plate is d by 2 is equal to d by 2 into K3. Because we know when with the dielectric the capacitance C naught into K. So now we can write these two and these two can cancel. C into epsilon naught, sorry, this is epsilon naught. A by 2 into d by 2 is equal to epsilon naught into A divided by d into K3. So this is C3. What is the value of C3? C3 also is equal to, this is equal to capacitance of air capacitor. So C3 is equal to K3 into capacitor when air is kept as a dielectric. Now this circuit we have drawn. Now it's very easy now. Now we have to use series parallel combination. Now we see this and this are parallel, therefore C2 plus C4 is the C equivalent 1 is equal to C2 plus C3. This and this are in parallel, so it means we have to add it. What is C2? C2 is equal to K2 into CA plus C3 is equal to K3 into CA. Therefore, C equivalent is equal to C into A into K2 plus K3. It means now this we have converted into this one and this one, C equivalent into B K1. So both are in series now. Both are in series means what? This one and this is C1. What is C1? C1 is equal to 2 into K1 into CA. It means two capacitors on series. We can write C equivalent is equal to multiplication of this and addition of this. So it means multiplication. So this equivalent entire will convert like this. B into A, C equivalent 2. This is if you keep as C equivalent 1. So this means this is C1. So the C equivalent 2 is equal to C1 multiplied by C equivalent 1 divided by C1 plus C equivalent 1. So this is equal to C1 value is equal to 2 into K1 into capacitor CA into C equivalent how much? C equivalent is equal to CA into K1 plus, you can write it here, is equal to C1. C1 is equal to 2 into K1 into CA plus C equivalent. C equivalent is equal to CA into K2 plus K3 divided by addition of these two. C1 is equal to 2K1 CA plus addition of C1 is this one, C1 is that much, and C equivalent is equal to CA into K2 plus K3. So C equivalent, now we can write C equivalent is equal to, enter this one, C equivalent 2 is equal to CA is common, we can take it out. This is CA in common, 2K1 plus K2 plus K3 divided by, sorry, this is multiplied, CA square into CA square out, then 2K1 into K2 into K3. Then this one we can take, we can take it out, CA we can take it out, CA into 2K1 plus K2 plus K3. So therefore this simple C equivalent second one, it means this is converted into single capacitor. This entire thing, entire structure is converted to C equivalent, which is equal to this and this get cancelled. So CA, where CA is equal to C with the air as dielectric is equal to sigma epsilon naught A divided by D. CA into 2K1 into K2 plus K2 plus K3 divided by, this is get cancelled, 2K1 plus K2 plus K3. This is the equivalent 2K1, this is equal to 2, so or we can write 2K1 C into K2 plus K3 divided by 2K1 plus K2 plus K3. This is the net capacitance, total capacitance 2K1C into K2 plus K3 plus 2K1 plus K2 plus K3. This is the capacitance, total capacitance of this entire thing.